Chobani was founded on the belief that people have great taste, they just need better options. Hence Chobani's focus of better food for more people. And we're now the #1 yogurt brand in the Australian market. We have a combination of traditional Lynx printers, we have laser printers, and we have high-speed labellers. All of this is under the one roof of IDSnet, which has allowed us to integrate this all together seamlessly, allowing traceability and ease of use for our operators. So, from the start of our journey, Matthews introduced IDSnet, which is their own software package. This helped us integrate all our coders and all our labellers into one central database. This eliminated the need for operator intervention and therefore reduced the number of coding and labelling errors within our business. So last year we launched a new Chobani Flip product. This was made on a high-speed line. The solution we went with was laser coding because that met our need and we could see the benefits, the long-term benefits that would bring to our business and the quality of print that it was going to give us. They came in, scoped the project, provided options. They then oversaw the installation, commissioning, through to operation and training of our operators. We've also evolved into the new Evo labellers, which we've been installing on our high-speed lines. Again, this has been a cost-effective solution with minimal ongoing costs, all integrated into IDSnet to eliminate that manual operator intervention. So we've been working with Matthews for the last 7 years. Matthews have the scale and support to grow with our business. They're also a partner with GS1, which is important to us. It's not all about cost, it's about the service, it's the commitment, and it's the fact that Matthews want to grow with us. And we see them as a long-term business partner in the growth of Chobani.